Before we get into this video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hello boys and girls, Candy Toys here and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing a toy review on the Fingerlings monkeys. We have 3 of the Fingerlings monkeys with us. I believe it comes in many others, and here they are. So it says friend us all, and there are 6 of them. The ones we have today are Mia. This one's Mia, and Mia is purple. And then we have Zoe. This is Zoe, and Zoe is green. And then we have Bella. This is Bella, and Bella is pink. So we're going to begin this toy review by opening up Mia. Mia's the purple one. So let's get started. Let's see how they have this box. Not too difficult to open. There we go. Looks like Mia comes with a little stand. So take those out of the box. And this looks to be a treat stand. Kind of has a rubber band here or something that's holding it in place. There we go. So this is the stand. Then let's go ahead and remove Mia from her packaging. Mia is also tied down. So we're going to undo this from the back. And I often wear gloves in these toy reviews because sometimes these toys become giveaways. So if you go back and look at some of our previous videos, like our Teddy Rumpskin video and our Love of Bella doll, those will be giveaways on a future channel or in a future video. So we have Mia out of her packaging. And let's move this stuff out the way. Now I think Mia can sit like that. Not too bad. Very cute. Now let's see if Mia works. Oh, so cute. Hello, Mia. Uh-oh, she's sleeping. And she's awake. Looks like Mia wants to sleep. Look at that. Oh, look at her. She turned her head. So when I turn Mia this way, she stays awake. But when I put her like this so you can see her, she wants to go to sleep. See? There she goes. She's asleep again. So in order to keep her awake, I have to turn her that way. Okay, so let's sit Mia over here and let's go ahead and open up the other ones. See if she can actually sit on the stand. Ah, it's falling over. But that's okay. So we'll lay her right there. She'll probably end up going to sleep. Let's see if her His tail doesn't really turn. She is made of a hard plastic and rubber. So this feels like rubber. The ears are like a hard plastic. The belly is like rubber. And then like little furry hair. But let's go ahead and lay her down there with her stand and see how long it takes her to actually go back to sleep. Okay, so now we're going to open up Zoe. I'm going to open up this packaging the same way. Zoe does not have a stand. Zoe is a little different. No stand here. Okay, a little harder. Okay, so this is Zoe, and Zoe is green. Has the same setup with the rubber hands and the hard plastic. This time Zoe has purple hair, which you would think this purple hair should go over here with Mia, but it's on Zoe. So let's go ahead and turn Zoe on. And she says hello. And she makes the same sounds. She's so cute. And she didn't come with a stand, so I guess she has to share the stand over here with Mia. Let's set her up. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and lay her here. Maybe they can talk to each other. We'll stand out of the way. Come a little closer. Maybe they can talk to each other. Let's see what happens there. So the last one we're going to open up is Bella. And Bella is pink. Bella does have a stand. Let's take the stand out first. Let's go ahead and put that stand over there with the other one. And then take Bella out of the packaging. A little tougher. They're still over there making noise. They haven't gone to sleep yet. Me and Zoe. Okay. So Bella is all out. She's cute too. Let's turn her on. Hello. There is Bella. See how all three of them interact with each other. Go ahead and talk to each other. Let's see. Woohoo! Uh-oh. So here they are, all three of them. Now, fingerlings came out a while back and were a very hot craze. And I got my daughter some for Christmas, but there were so many of them. These are actually left over. And so I said, why not do a toy review on these? Who knows if they may not be hot again this Christmas, but if you weren't lucky enough to get some, keep watching our channel. Make sure you subscribe to all of our social media. We also have Instagram, and we have Twitter and Facebook. If you're able to follow us on all those social medias, including being subscribed to this channel, you may be able to win some of these, one of these, and also some of the other products that we review. So keep on watching, and that will be it for us today. I'll let them go ahead and talk to each other, or whatever they're going to do. Oh, they kiss. They make kissing sounds. Did you hear that? As soon as I brought them closer, they made kissing sounds. Cute. Aww. See if I can rock them this way. Hello. Looks like Bella was trying to go to sleep. Me and Zoe over here, we're keeping her awake. Okay, that is it. So say goodbye, Bella. Goodbye, Mia and Zoe, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye. Have a good day. Bye. Well, that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.